Hi everyone, this is Mont Choisy on Diwali. Yes, that's how many people there are. There are even more. Watch this drive through and then we'll show you the beach.
And going and going and going.
Everyone, this is Mont Choisy Beach. It's Diwali today and I don't think I've ever seen so many cars parked everywhere.
Never.
It is just packed with cars. Crazy amounts of cars.
We're like, no, we just have to share this with you.
This is like probably the
There's
longest
also
beach.
cars on the road, other side of the road.
Yeah, it's there are lots of cars here and buses and, well, people, I suppose. Loads and loads of people.
Yeah, we're going to see if we can find a parking or go show you some people.
Yeah.
See how busy Mont Choisy actually can get. It's a big beach though.
It is a big beach, so I expect people to all be spread out.
This is a new parking lot that they're building and people have even started parking there. Although it's gravel and I'm not sure how they managed to get on it.
Yeah.
But don't worry, there's more.
We're actually going to try find a parking in a minute.
Going.
Okay, I think somewhere here we can probably try look for a parking now. Okay, I'm not holding out much hope. This is the end piece.
Yeah.
We're gonna go back.
We'll find a parking and get back to you. Wow. There's quite a few people, but there's still space. It's not like anybody's cramped. It's kind of cool. But it might have been busier earlier because it's now like getting towards sunset. We're on our way to Triole to check out the lights. But it's gorgeous. Lights! Provided by the sun.
It's not just cars, it's actually people. There are so many people here as well. It's like every square foot of beachfront real estate where you can stop is actually full of people as well.
Space.
Oh, don't worry, we found a space. But that's the only one.
Mont Choisy is gorgeous at sunset though.
So everyone's staying here, waiting for the sunset. We're going to head down in that direction. There are so many people there. I mean, there are loads and loads of them. All people in the water.
It's still not like the bands and things like a there.
No bands, just loads of people. And they just carry on all the way down there. I don't know if I can zoom in. Still loads of people. Well, they're still in the sea. It's actually quite a warm day, but the sun is slowly starting to set there. And it's just the beach is full.
How is the sunset? And then from Mont Choisy you can also see the mountains.
How beautiful are those mountains? Oh wow, and the clouds, it is just like picture perfect. Diwali lights, they really brought it. Oh, and look at the sun, it's got rays. I'm going to zoom in a little. Let me see if we can see the sun rays coming down. Oh man. Okay, the waves coming in.
Nature has really brought out a show for Diwali.
Sunset at Mont Choisy. Man, it is full here, it really is. We're just strolling down the beach a little bit. All the people here beyond that line We're actually waiting for the speedboats to either go skiing or to go on one of the inflatables and get pulled behind a speedboat. Let's see if we can't catch one as he goes out.
So all up here by the tree area, not only do you have the regular food places, but everybody else has now got like their grills out. It smells amazing. What a gorgeous experience.
So they crashed? Yes. Looked like the thing flipped.
They keep falling over and everybody laughs.
Well, here they come limping in while the others are screaming in. But these guys keep falling over. Oh wow, they're just going to drag them back in.
Time of their lives.
Oh, what a perfect way to end the sunny day. Well, here they go just before the sun is actually set. Look at the color on that sun. But here they go. Good luck, guys. And they're off. Oh, that doesn't look terrifying. Wow, how red and awesome is the sun at the moment. Wow, it's just starting to set.
More and more people just lining up. One goes out, the next lot get ready. Great for small business.
And there goes the sun. Oh man. Speedboat across the sun. But the sun is just about to hit the horizon. You can feel the horizon pulling at it. And here go the brave boaters, I don't know what they're called.
Tubers.
Tubers. With the sun hitting the sea now. Tubers into the sunset. Tubers across the sunset. This is what has been smelling so good. Chicken barbecue. It is killing us. Oh wow, look at this. She's actually invited me to try a piece. Have a look at that.
Mauritian hospitality.
Mauritian
wow,
hospitality.
Such a big piece.
Oh
Thank
wow.
you.
Thank you so much.
Oh no. No, this smells so nice by itself. Oh, and it's hot.
Ricky's pulled a piece off. She's going to try it straight up.
Mm.
Good. Is that good?
Mm.
Oh wow, straight from the fire. I just showed you the fire.
That's really good. Give that a go, Brian. That
I'm
is
just gonna
really
have to
good. Hey, it's like so soft and tasty. Amazing.
Oh wow, that is really, really good.
Yeah, I would come to your restaurant every day.
Where's your restaurant?
Yeah, it's here. Home kitchen. The best.
The best
kitchens in Mauritius. That is so good.
I'm going to put a link below, but Land Smile, these guys are actually in real estate. And if you go buy property from them, they will do a barbecue
She
for you.
promised you at least one barbecue at Mont
At least one. But it's worth it. It's totally worth it. But anyway, Land Smile, I'll put a link below.
Yeah, they got real estate for foreigners in Grand Bay. I'll go check that out. True Mauritian hospitality. Absolute ambassadors for Mauritius. Thank you very much. That was amazing.
Who knew when we left for Triole we would get this perfect opportunity to come to Mont Choisy? Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.